Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this hair that was sent to me from Cynosure Hair. I'll have all of their information and the direct links to this hair down below in the description box. The lace frontal wig that was sent to me from Cynosure is 220% density. It is 22 inches in length and it is a body wave hair texture. So this is how the wig looks when you first take it out of the package. It's very, very, very full, and I love that about this wig. I am going to basically just show you guys pretty much how I got this wig prepped to style it. So the first thing that I am going to do with this wig is basically dye it from its natural black color to a jet black color, and I will be doing that water method hair dyeing process to darken the hair color. And then after that, I am just going to tint the lace using Adore's mocha hair dye, and I'm also going to be doing the watercolor method, of course, to do that. And then after that, I'll be bleaching the knots on this wig. After I bleach the knots on the wig, it will be time for me to cut my hairline out so that it mimics my exact hairline. I'm going to breeze through those steps really quickly so that you guys can see the overall styling process. So let's jump right into this tutorial.
Ryan Little.
So after thinning the hairline, and I did notice even before I tried the wig on, there is a widow's peak in this wig, and I do not have a widow's peak for my natural hairline, so I know I'm going to have to go in and cut that curve off just so that it can be a little bit more rounded. And I do want to show you how deep the parting space is. You do get a lot of parting space with this wig as well. Hey guys, so the first thing that I am going to do is grab my white jumbo pencil from NYX. And I'm basically going to draw or trace my outline of my hairline. And then I'm going to put the wig on and part it so that I can see clearly where my hairline is underneath the lace. And then I'm just going to cut something that replicates my actual hairline. You don't necessarily have to use this jumbo eye pencil. You can use any type of eye pencil for this or any type of lip pencil. Just make sure that it's something that you will be able to see clearly underneath the lace. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove this white. There's a little bit of white around the lace portion of this wig, but I'm just going to grab a cotton swab and my makeup remover and just tap it along the edges where the white is, and that should make it disappear. Okay, so to style this hair, I'll be using my Chi Air Spin and Curl Rotating Ceramic Curling Iron, and I'm super excited to try this, so let's jump right into that process. It sucks the hair into it and then it spins it around and it creates a curl, and after it beeps 3 times, you know that it's time for you to remove it, and then you'll have a really pretty curl. You cannot burn your face at all, your forehead, any part of your skin, because it is completely protected with this thicker coating surrounding the product. You have an option to choose if you want the machine to spin to the left or if you want the machine to spin to the right. You will basically just change these 2 buttons here. And here's the finished look. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check down below in the description box. I'll have more information, some promo codes, and direct links to this hair and to the company. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from.
It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.